Okay, welcome to class. So in this module, um, we'll continue with migration of your website from the offline server, which is your local WP, to an online server, your cPanel. So I'll just be listing the steps, and in the next coming video, we'll be taking practical steps on how this can be done successfully. So the first thing you need to do is we'll need to first locate our website under the local WP installation wherever it's located on our PC. We'll zip it up, then we'll locate the database also, and we'll put both of them under a single location. Then the next thing we need to do is to go to our cPanel under the live server, under your hosting server. We open that up. From there, you go to the process of uploading and extracting these website files that we have zipped in step 1. We upload it to the cPanel and extract it to the location where your domain name will be able to call it and see it successfully. So after we've done that, we're going to go through the process of creation of a new database under your PHPMyAdmin, and also practical steps on how to save your database name, database username, database password on a notepad, which will be used for our WP config file. On the step 5, we'll now go through the process of importation of this local WP database onto our PHPMyAdmin. After we've done that, then we will now need to edit our WP config file, which is under our WordPress installation, in order for the database to be able to see the files successfully. Else, when this is not done, if we don't edit the WP config file and update it with the recent password, database username, and database name, the website will give us an error that says error establishing database connection. So once that is done, and we go through the process of replacing the database name, database user, and password with the details saved in number 4 above. Once all this is done well and done excellently, our website will load successfully. So as a quick recap, this is a process of moving your website from an offline state to an online state. Offline is you develop the website on your PC. Your PC served as a server, while local WP served as the software. So once that is done, you can now go through this step to upload this website online for your customers and your clients to see on the World Wide Web. So I'll see you on the next video where we'll be taking practical steps for this to be successful. Thank you and see you in the next video.